Dias! Welcome back to my channel. You guys, I'm now in Oaxaca, Mexico, which is famous for food. Mole is really popular here, if you've ever heard of that before. And Mezcal. We're going to be doing a Mezcal tasting tour here. And I am here just in time for Day of the Dead. So I'm gonna show you guys what it's like to spend several days here in the city, what to do in Oaxaca. I'm gonna show you guys what Day of the Dead is all about here. Of course, considering we're in the middle of a pandemic, it's not going to be the same, but people are starting to set up stalls and different things for the festival all over the city. So they'll still be celebrating here somehow, but in limited capacity. But I just arrived here with my friend Cher, and the first thing we're doing is a free walking tour in Oaxaca. So I do these free tours all over the world. Almost every major city, or even smaller cities, will have these free walking tours. You can just Google it. Google free walking tour. And then you just pay whatever you want at the end as a tip. So we're starting off our trip here with one of these tours so that we can learn all about the city. And I'm gonna show you guys around and take you around with me today. And then spend a few more days showing you what Day of the Dead is like and Mezcal tasting tour. And showing you what all the food is all about and all the hype and everything that comes from Oaxaca here. So let's go do this. Let's go explore the city. Can you share what was the name of it again? Pronounce it?
Tejate. T-E-J-A-T-E.
Okay. So guys, we just ended our free walking tour. And at the end of the tour, she explained to us that there's an organic market here, which we're going to go inside. So Oaxaca's really known for having basically the best food in Mexico. Cannot wait to try some of the things that she mentioned in here. Some of you guys probably already know this, maybe you don't. I'm a vegetarian. The friend I'm with, she eats some vegetarian stuff, some meat. So we're gonna show you guys a little bit about what we're eating. But keep in mind, I don't eat any meat, which obviously is a big deal here because they mostly eat meat, but there's still plenty of things for me to eat.
Wow.
It has lots of cheese and mole sauce. Looks so good. This looks awesome. So we're at this coffee shop in the organic market ordering coffee. It looks like you can even add mezcal in there. And I just order my coffee with soy milk because I try not to drink too much milk.
¿Quieres americano o de olla? Tiene canela y panela.
Oh yeah, sí,
Con leche de
So we're ordering some vegetarian food. What is it? It's garnacitas?
Garnachas.
Garnachitas. Garnachitas. She said, what could she put in it?
Tortilla, and usually they have some kind of meat, but it has, you said it has tomato sauce. Is there mole or?
Mole?
No, salsa.
Salsa?
Queso.
Queso?
Repollo. Con zanahoria.
Okay. Yeah, it's like the fermented cabbage and stuff.
Yum! So fermented cabbage, salsa, queso, tortilla, yum. Sounds good. So this is squash blossom.
Lo que gustes puede ser un ingrediente o los tres.
Oh, you can get it like she said, like with the squash blossom and mushrooms.
And did she say frijoles, beans as well?
Lleva
Or?
frijoles y quesillo.
What do you want?
Toto.
Uno. Yeah, sí. Una. It's dos piezas o uno pieza.
Are we going to film our reactions here?
Yeah.
Okay, and then we're supposed to put all this stuff on it, this cabbage, and then roast.
Full experience.
They're so cute.
Yeah, this is good. What do you think?
It's yummy.
Okay, so
No.
we didn't know these were so large, but we don't know. We learned now, right? So
we said two. I thought it was gonna be like two of these.
yeah.
Two of these.
So now we gotta like force ourselves to eat too much. Too bad. Oh, look inside in here. Oh yeah, you can see the lettuce and the cheese and the beans. Yum! And squash. It looks so good. All right guys, this is day number 2 in Oaxaca. Yesterday we did the walking tour and today we booked a 2-hour food tour. So we're going to go visit the markets as I mentioned, Oaxaca is such a foodie city. Cannot wait to try this food for the markets. We're gonna be going over all kinds of food. We are visiting 2 of the most famous markets here in Oaxaca, so we're on our way to the first one right now. Okay, we just got here to the market, and of course we gotta get our temperatures taken first. Gracias.
¿Tiene empanadas? The thing you saw outside are called dulces regionales. It's local pastry, basically. There's different types. There is these corns, or kind of tacos stuffed with custard. We have passion fruit. We have guava and chia. That one's really fresh.
Okay.
We have cranberry and pineapple. Tamarind. We have cucumber and lemon. They have the traditional ranch. Yeah.
So this is known as a chili coyote. This is squash? Pumpkin. Okay, this is pumpkin. And you got some sort of milk-based recetta. Okay. That's really good. Wow, you can taste it. It tastes like pumpkin. It's really good. How's your prickly pear drink?
Super yummy.
Yeah, it's good. Okay, so we're in the meat market. And as I mentioned, I'm a vegetarian. I don't eat meat. But Kay behind me here, she's going to be eating meat. This bread looks so good. All right, here we go with the meat tasting. How do you pronounce this again?
Tamal de mole.
And what's, you said it's chicken and cheese in there, or?
No, it's just chicken and it's mole.
Corn.
It's corn. It's corn dough. And that. And there are some parts that have no chicken at all.
Okay.
And there are some parts like this one that is just corn dough, but it tastes really different because it has wrapped in banana leaves, so it gives another flavor to the tamal. Usually tamales are wrapped in cocoa leaves, but this one is banana, so it tastes different. It tastes different.
Okay.
Oh, this is the stuffed pepper.
Yeah, this is with cheese, I guess, and this is the chicken one.
So I can eat this one right here because it's stuffed with cheese.
Yeah, so make sure you just, this part is the spicy one where you can see on the stick.
Oh, this looks so good.
Yeah, this is the spicy part, so.
Oh, I like spicy.
Really?
Yeah. It's so good. Okay, guys. So this is the squash blossom quesadilla. Something else I can eat. Squash blossom. Yum. All right, guys. We're at market number 2.
Buenas tardes.
Buenas tardes.
Adelante.
Gracias. She's asking if we try grasshoppers. Uh-oh. No, I'm not eating grasshoppers, but I want to see Kay eat some grasshoppers. You're gonna do it?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Well, I actually had some last night, but it was like a paste. And I was like, oh, this is so good. What is it? And they're like grasshopper. And I was like, oh.
Good?
Yeah, it was good.
Are you gonna try it, Cher?
Sure.
That's adorable.
Usually they are green, so they are like lobsters. When they are cooked, they turn to this color.
That's a whole pile of grasshoppers.
But they have more chili, so they are spicy. Okay.
Oh, so they have chili.
How many grasshoppers do you think that is? 1 million?
And then there's like more.
Just pretend it's like a nut. So do we take the legs off, or?
If you want to take off the legs,
What do you think?
That's pretty good.
So what does it taste like?
just lime and
It literally, it's just like
other flavor, in particular from this.
like a crispy skin.
Oh, sorry. I said I wasn't gonna do that. I said I wasn't gonna do that. I'm sorry. I'm being rude.
Lime,
The flavor is good. I do not like the texture.
Yeah, exactly. That's the problem.
lime and garlic.
Oh, so it tastes like lime and garlic.
Like a light chili, not a spicy chili. The flavor is good. Like, it just was like,
What's the texture
What are you
like?
gonna do with all those?
But I'm gonna
Okay, so the tour guide is telling us that grasshopper tacos is a nice snack. That's the thing here. So you get grasshoppers with cheese and tortilla. No, I mean there's no way in hell I would do it, but if you come here, you should try it if you eat this kind of stuff. So the tour guide also told us that they make spicy sauce out of ants. So there's ants in this jar right here.
They have these called barquillos. This one right here are called guanitos. They are like cookies. They are fried there together with honey.
Ooh.
These ones, they look like cannolis, but they are called gasnates. It's like it's stuffed with a cream made with the egg, and that's very sweet actually. And sometimes has coconut inside of it.
Ooh.
These ones are called tortas, I guess. This one has coconut and it's soft as some type of bread. This one is called mamon. Mamon is a word that in Spanish means someone which is really picky.
He's drunk.
Hey, there's a dessert named after us, the two of us at least. The tour guide, she said that this is called drunk. I cannot pronounce it in Spanish. I'm not even gonna try because you have to roll your R's. But this is drunk. This is called drunk. And it's made with mezcal, which is the local liquor here. Oh, you can taste the mezcal in here. It's really good. Hey guys, Buenos Dias from Oaxaca, Mexico. I'm here in Oaxaca for Day of the Dead, but since it's 2020 and we're in the middle of a pandemic, it's really toned down right now, and Day of the Dead is not celebrated like it usually is. But there are some things going on this year, so I'm going to show you guys around and show you how Day of the Dead is celebrated, the toned down version of it. Oaxaca is actually known to be the best place to celebrate the holiday, and I'm here with 3 other friends. So we're just going to run around the city today after we got our faces painted, as you can see, and explore all the different things that are going on in Oaxaca. So usually families will go and visit their loved ones who are deceased at the cemetery. They'll bring these marigold flowers that I'm wearing on my head with them to the cemetery and just celebrate the lives of those who are now deceased. And none of that is happening this year, but there are different things going on in the city. People are getting their faces painted. There's no parade this year, but there's decorations all over the city. So we're just gonna run around and have a good time and show you guys what it's all about. So let's do this. Hey guys, we're about to have lunch. Check out this view that we have for lunch. All right, salud. Mezcal cocktails. What'd you get?
Oh, it's mezcal, Aperol, and pineapple juice.
And then for the non-alcoholic drinkers,
Got some beautiful guava water.
agua fresca. That's what we should be drinking, but no.
We should be.
We're drinking mezcal as usual.
This is delicious.
You know, we're on to the tostadas and these dips. Look so yummy.
What's going on here?
Oh, it's filling it up.
It was a rambutan. It was a rambutan.
What is going on here? I don't even know. All right, guys. So this is my 3rd mezcal drink. I'm making up for those that aren't drinking at the table. Looking at you. Not you. You're helping me out. So mezcal is made in many parts of Mexico. It's made from the agave plant, but it's mostly made here in Oaxaca. So if you come to Oaxaca, you have to drink mezcal. It's really good. Okay, so it's evening time now in Oaxaca. Day of the Dead, November 1st. And just walking through the city center in the square, and there's this beautiful altar right here. And the skeleton has a mask on. It's just really cool. Check this out. Okay, so now we're walking through the main square, just trying to check out what's going on. There's all kinds of Day of the Dead stuff going on. So even though I have one more day left here in Oaxaca, that concludes this video that I've recorded of exploring the city and experiencing Day of the Dead this year. Now, I have another video coming out within the next week from Oaxaca as well that I'm going to record today. I am visiting a Mezcal factory, and I'm going to learn all about how the alcoholic drink Mezcal is created from the agave plant that's grown mostly here in Oaxaca. So if you want to see that video, make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you can receive notifications, and leave a comment if you enjoyed this video or even if you didn't enjoy it. I've got videos coming out from all over Mexico since I decided to move here, and I'm living here for a while and exploring this beautiful country. Also, you can check out my blog, www.kerrysomewhere.com. That's where I share all my best travel tips, hacks, and all the information about how I'm able to afford to travel so much, and the work that I do from my laptop, which allows me to live almost anywhere in the world. So thanks so much again for joining me today, guys. Adios and hasta luego.